What's going on YouTube? It's Darian. I'm back again with Darian the Dev, and today I'm excited to show you guys my final project from my coding bootcamp. I recently graduated a 10-week Java coding bootcamp, and so the last 2 weeks out of that 10 was spent on the final project I'm going to show you guys today. So if you guys enjoy my content, or if you've been enjoying my content, if you could subscribe, like, share, leave me some comments down below. It helps tremendously just with motivation to keep making videos and also to help the channel grow. But the reason I want to make this video is because I know that coming up with final project ideas or just ideas in general as a developer when you're first starting can be really difficult, or just knowing what to build or what to try to tackle. And so I really hope that this can maybe just inspire somebody out there, or maybe give you guys some ideas of things that you can try. We use an API, and so I know it's kind of tricky knowing which ones to try to use as a beginner and things like that, and what you can do with them. So yeah, so go ahead, we're gonna jump into this demo and check out this final project. All right, so our project was called Health Hood, and the idea was basically to be able to enter an address, and then based on that address, give the neighborhood a rating from 1 out of 5 of how healthy it is, based on how close you are to things like a gym, a grocery store, or healthy fast food options. So basically, do you live close enough to businesses that will promote a healthy lifestyle? So let's check it out. So right here, you enter an email address, and I'm just gonna throw one of these in. And with the email addresses, we use those in our database to actually save your search history for that email address. So that's pretty much the only reason why we wanted to allow you to enter an email, is so that we can basically kind of show off our database skills, things like that. So for people wondering why you have to enter an email. So you have the option of either entering a single or two email address, or I'm sorry, a single address or 2 addresses to compare them together. So let's just go ahead and do compare, because I guess that kind of shows things off a little bit better. So let's just use some stuff that we already have in here, and I'll use this New Hampshire address as well. So we have one address from Michigan, as you guys can see right here, and then we have one from New Hampshire, you guys can see right here. So just showing you that we can use different states, and this even works for international, but let's just keep it with these 2 for right now. So we hit submit. All right, so then we get our results, and you see that they're both 1 out of 5. So if we click on the see why button, we'll drop down here, and it gives us an explanation of why a 1 out of 5, or why this address got a 1 out of 5, or what that means exactly. And then if we hit see results, you'll see the fitness centers right here. So you'll see a list of each category. So you'll see the fitness centers, you'll see the markets, and you'll see the healthy fast food options, and you'll see how many are in each one. And so if I click on this, let's say, it takes us to the actual business on Yelp right here. And so this is because we're using Yelp's API to actually get all the business results. So that's where they're coming from. We link back, that's where the image is coming from as well. So let's check out our New Hampshire address. All right, so we got a 1 out of 5 here too, but we got a few more options here. Pretty straightforward. It's just gonna show you the category of the business. It's gonna show you where it's located, how far you are from it, and allow you to click on that actual business name. It'll take you to the Yelp page for that business. So we have this little menu right here, and we'll go ahead and click history, and this will show us. So this is where we save the history. Again, we wanted to kind of show off our use of a database by storing each search that a user looks up, and then if you click on it, like if I was to click on this one, it'll actually run that search again, and it'll allow me to see the results. So now it ran it as a single search, and it's going to return only the results for that particular address. So we used MySQL, we used Java, we used HTML, CSS obviously, and Bootstrap was a really big help. A lot of these things you guys see here, like these buttons that they collapse the results and everything, and the CY, those are the Bootstrap collapse features. The images we got from unsplash.com. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it's a great place to get royalty-free, high-quality images for web development. And yeah, we had 2 weeks to make this happen, and that's pretty much, you know, what we came to demo day with, and what we talked to employers about, potential employers, and what ultimately landed all of us our jobs really is, you know, this is our most full stack portfolio piece that we have to show off. So yeah, guys, I hope this helps. I hope this gives you guys some ideas and maybe some things that you guys can go build, or just maybe get the gears turned a little bit about, you know, what you can do as a new developer, or what you might, you know, aim to do as a new backend developer. So yeah, again, if this was helpful to you guys, please subscribe, like, share, leave me some comments down below. Let's chat it up in the comment section. And I got way more content coming for you guys, so please be on the lookout. And I just want to keep sharing my journey with you guys, showing you, you know, where I came from with coding bootcamp. And you know, I'm excited to take you guys along with me as I start my new career, my new first software engineering job, and share some more details about that in another video in the future. All right, so stay tuned, you guys. I'm super excited. Thanks for watching. It's Darian. This is Darian the Dev. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.